So this morning we're going to be sorting out this pool deck. We've got a little bit of sinking on the back here, which we're going to lift and stabilize. We've got that corner there, but mostly the customer's concerned about these cracks. So we're going to stabilize this area using polyurethane foam, and then we're going to do some crack filling. We're going to do some crack chasing, clean the cracks up, put some baccarat in the larger areas, and fill this up with a good sealer and adhesive to keep this from breaking apart. So for homeowners on this situation, this guy's got his two corners of the pool deck dropping down due to soil compaction. There's no erosion, there's no major issues. It's just over time it's settled down. Eric, next hole. So what we're doing here in these corners is we are stabilizing these corners. We don't want to get lift out of it because it hasn't really dropped. It started sinking a little bit, but what we're more concerned about here is the soil stabilization underneath the ground. Yeah, you can see where Eric's pumped. We've got good foam coming back up the holes. We've got a micrometer set up there so we can see once that dial starts moving, then we know that we have sufficient soil compaction underneath. Any voids that there are have been filled up, and the pool deck is then stabilized at that point. This will stop the pool deck from sinking any further. It started sinking just due to time and compression over time. Water gets underneath, it compresses the soil, and the pool deck sinks. So this will prohibit it from getting any worse. We're getting a little bit of lift out of it, but we don't want too much lift. We just don't want it to get worse. We're going to stabilize this pool deck. I do want to get a little bit of lift just to make sure that we've got enough compaction here. But you see, if you look at the paving running along the back there, it's all fine. It's here that it's raised up. So I'm thinking it's these roots that have raised the pavers. And there you can see the original concrete that held the pavers back. So these pavers have been lifted due to the tree roots. So that it doesn't mean we're going to raise that to that height, because that's not where it was poured. No. So we'll get a little bit of lift out of this. I don't want too much because it's already broken up. I don't want to break it up anymore. So yeah, you can see we've got foam coming up in this crack, which indicates obviously the material spreading out in the bottom. There's so much force that it's pushing up through the cracks. Just one more hole. Got our last hole there, and then we're done with the foaming. Then we're going to sort these cracks out. I'll tell you when we're done how it went. I don't know how it's going to go.
To that hole there, this is probably not going to take a whole lot.
Probably not. I just don't want it coming out on the inside of the pool again, but I do want to stabilize that properly though. And again, this for homeowners, something like this is more of a preventing it to get worse in the future than actually fixing it, because we can patch this and we can do our best to make it look really good, but this is more of a peace of mind for a homeowner that it's not going to get worse in the future. All good, Eric? All right. Foaming went really well. I'm happy with that. Eric, you good with it?
Yep.
So we got the corners and this back all stabilized. You can see we had foam coming out of the cracks. We had foam coming out of the holes, push back on that. We got lift on all these sections. Very slight lift, but we got really good results on this from where you standing, Jack, all the way through here, around this side and that. All stabilized. So we're going to fix these cracks up now. We're going to first grind them with a small V-notch grinder to open the cracks up, clear them up, get all the gunk out, and then we're going to fill it up with a Sikaflex polyurethane type sealer. This will seal off the cracks so we don't get any more water going in there, causing any more erosion or soil compaction at that point. And aesthetically, it'll also look better once we're done with it. Now I'm filling it with a Sikaflex product, which is a really good concrete adhesion material, self-leveler and sealer. So as you can see now, the cracks actually aren't as jagged. They've been opened up, cleaned up, and now we can seal and patch the cracks. Now that all the cracks are sealed off and the pool stabilized, pool deck stabilized, we're nearly finished. Okay, so this job came out really well this morning. The pool deck is now stabilized. We've got the cracks nicely filled up. The homeowner is now very happy with the end result. No permits needed. We're in and out in about an hour and a half or so. And we're just going to wait for the sealer to dry up, and then we're ready to go. So if you need any concrete repair in the Tampa Bay, Florida area, give us a call on the number below. Hey, and if you guys enjoyed this video, go and check this one out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time.